question 4. If Z is immediately before W, then what must be true? So V is going to have to be before them because it's before Z, and X will have to be after because X is after Z, and W has to be before X. Oh, yeah, okay, so it's like this. And then Y has to be somewhere in the first 3, so Y could be here or here, but it can't be after W because then it would have 3 in front of it, so it wouldn't be in the first 3, and U would have to be in one of the last 3, so it's either last or second last. So what must be true? So the first 2 would be V or Y. Then we'd have ZW, then we'd have X or U at the end. Okay. So what must be true is either Z in 3 or W in 4. Z in 3 is answer choice E. Next question. Which one of the following is a complete and accurate list of bands, any one of which could be the band that performs in slot 1? Okay, so slot 1 could be V or Y for sure. So our list has to include V and Y. Okay, so A and B are both out. It also has to include W because W could be first. Okay, so C is out. And the only difference between D and E is that E includes Z, but Z can't be first because V has to be in front of Z. So D is the correct answer. 6. Hi. Hi. Yeah, what is it? Oh, boy. Oh, very distracting right now. Oh boy. Okay, question 6. Well, yeah, careful. I don't want you chewing on that. It's dangerous. If Wellspring performs immediately before Expert, okay, where are they going to fit? So Z is in front of them and V is in front of them. Y has to be somewhere in here, and U would have to be either right before W and X or right after W and X. Chicken. Shh. Shh. Hey. Yeah. So, which of these could be true? Could uneasy be in slot 5? Nope. It could be in 4 or in 6. Could V be in slot 3? Nope. It could be 1 or 2. Could W be in slot 3? No. So W could be in 4 or 5. Could Z be in slot 2? Yep. We could have V, Z, and then Y, and then UWX or WXU. So either of those would be fine. So Z could be in slot 2, but it can't be in slot 4 because U has to fit in to 4, 5, or 6, and then we have W and X here. So D is possible, E is not. And the last question is a substitution question. Okay, which one of the following, if substituted for the constraint that W and Z have to be earlier than X, has the same effect? A, only U can be later than X, so that actually works because the other rule tells us that V has to be in front of X, and another rule tells us that Y has to be one of the first 3, which means Y is always going to be in front of X as well. So the only player that can be later than X is U. So A is the correct answer for question 7. All right.